Hello, everyone. My name is Solomon Allotey. I'm here with my team today, Vishal, Acharya, and Nechita. And we're here to talk about lean production delivery systems for construction. The agenda for today, we're going to be going through what lean production and what lean construction is, lean production delivery systems, and then the delivery system workflow. So what is lean production? The term lean production refers to a set of tools and procedures for streamlining and improving a company's production process. It is an approach to management that focuses on cutting waste whilst ensuring quality of the project. And this basically relies on five key principles: identifying the value of the project, mapping the value stream, creating workflows, and establishing a pull system, and the pursuit of perfection. What is lean construction? The overall overview of this is just basically to maximize the value of the project while limiting waste. And also, it's a strategy to decrease expenses, materials, time, and exertion in construction. It keeps the workflow stream so all members are producing members. I have a short video here that explains it further.
Welcome to Lean Construction in 3 minutes. What is lean? Lean is a system involving the continuing transformation of waste into value from the customer's perspective. It focuses on two linked steps: the continuous elimination of waste and the creation and flow of value, with minimal waste without interruption. Lean construction is improving the construction process to profitably deliver what the customer needs. There are 7 types of waste in construction that Lean eliminates. Transport: unnecessary movement of materials or products that does not directly support immediate production. It should be minimized as much as possible, as it is not value-added activity, and the material will be exposed to handling damage. Inventory: supply in excess of what is required. Inventory includes raw materials, work in process, and finished goods. Excess inventory can quickly build up and tie up dollars and resources due to the additional handling and space needed. Motion: the extra steps taken by people to accommodate an inefficient process layout, defects, reprocessing, overproduction, or excess inventory. To move and add value is called work. To move and not add value is called motion. Waiting: waiting refers to the periods of inactivity that occur because a preceding activity didn't deliver on time or finish completely. Waiting waste increases cycle time during which no value-added activity is performed. Over-processing: unnecessary steps in operations, such as reprocessing, double handling, added communication, and double checking, which adds no value. Overprocessing is often inserted into a process as a result of dealing with defects, overproduction, or excess inventory. Overproduction is producing more than is needed, faster than is needed, or before it is needed. This results in excess inventory carrying costs. Defects: products, materials, or services that do not meet expectation or conform to specification. Corrections and defects are anything not done correctly the first time and must be repaired, sorted, remade, or redone, as well as materials which are scrapped due to defects. The benefits of lean construction reach the customer, business, management, and staff. The customer gets a more consistent service, improved flexibility, responsiveness, construction time, and product quality, and a lower total cost. Business has a better cash flow and productivity, reduced stock holding, improved asset utilization, environmental benefits, increased profit, and improved customer relationship. Management gains by better collaboration between design, general contractor, and subtrades, more reliable processes, less crisis management, improved staff flexibility and morale, and delegation of daily responsibilities. Staff receive improved safety and job satisfaction, greater ownership of work area, more pleasant work environment, less stress, and immediate feedback on their performance. For more information, visit www.leadingedgegroup.com.
So I'm going to be passing the next agenda on to my next team member, Vishal.
Welcome to Lean.
Hello everyone, This is Vishal here. So if we're talking about the waste, then lean production has a major concern about minimizing the waste and improve the profit. Therefore, to minimize the waste, lean has a certain ways which are transportation, inventory, motion, waiting, overprocessing, overproduction, defects, and unused talent. So let's talk about the transportation. It's called also travel time. So every single time product move from one place to another place, there has a certain type of risk which include damage or delay. So ultimately it becomes the lesser value in front of customer representative. Also next we have a inventory. Holding some stock may be avoidable, but less stock reducing waste. Motion, unnecessary movement of product or a workers reduce the cost. Let's say while working on the site, some workers go up and down, later they waste some time. So this unnecessary movement reduce the cost. Waiting in between two stage, delay between two stage of the production has a no gain value. It should be minimized or stopped. Next, we have it over processing, using complex and costly tools to complete the task. While right tools can do perfect job, so don't waste time using complex and costly tools. Overproduction, making more profit or products than what has a demand, so it's not a good thing. Defects, avoiding extra cost by fixing mistakes. So doing work according to the using these ways, we can reduce waste and increase profitability. Next, please.
Thanks, Vishal. Mark. And could you go to the next slide, please?
Lean Production Delivery System. Lean Product Delivery System (LPDS) was first presented by Glenn Ballard in 2000. LPDS questions what need to be done and who is responsible for the task at the very beginning of the project. So the key characteristics of lean product delivery system has product is organized and overseen as a worth producing process. Early contribution of downstream part, partners to plan to undertaking process through cross-using groups. Pool procedures are utilized to deal with the data and material stream between partners. Cradles are utilized to retain change ability in certain framework through worldwide enhancements. So this is all about the lean product delivery system. Next, I'm gonna take over Mark Nechita.
Thanks, Vishal. I'm going to talk about how the Lean project delivery system works. This project delivery system is philosophically derived and can seem a little complicated, but it can actually be explained in a few clear steps. Each triangle represents a stage in the delivery system that contains 3 project steps, and each project stage is connected with the one before and after to allow for fluid movement in between stages, which also allows for a fluid project delivery. Hence, decisions made in each stage impact and influence the stages of the project, not just after, but also those previous. Compared to traditional project delivery methods, LPDS clearly expresses the relations and conditions between the various stages, which are frequently overlooked. Therefore, creating a path between various stages of a project allows for greater organization and greater control in a project. The first stage or phase of the project delivery is called project definition. The purpose of this stage is to look at the project as a whole and define what the project will deliver, what its value is, and also what has to be put into the project to obtain wanted results. This is where constraints such as time, location, cost, and regulations are defined in conversations with the stakeholder or end project user. In the design concept step, the interests of the stakeholder, those being values, concepts, criteria, and wanted specifications, connect the end of the first and the beginning of the second stage, lean design. The second project stage, lean design, has conversations continue with the stakeholder to put process and product design together. Decisions have to be made at this stage to focus on maximizing value for the customer and to minimize waste, which in turn maximizes value for all included parties. Through further discussion and given new information about alternative methods and ideas, new doors can open and the project can move back to the project definition stage. The project from there transitions into the lean supply stage. This is where, based on product design, components, and materials, are engineered in order to minimize lead time and inventory. Subsequently, the lean assembly stage delivers information, components, materials, tools, machines, and labor for the construction process. Construction is performed carefully and methodically to reduce but allow for easier change orders and redesign. So from there, the project can easily move into previous stages and from there move forward again. The last project stage, lean use, looks at delivering value to the end user of the project and reducing their total cost of ownership. Value can be maximized by considering operation, maintenance, alteration, and decommissioning. Each project stage involves work structuring and production control. Work structuring ensures a solid work stream by breaking work into more even parts. Creation control centers around work process and creation units and utilizes look-ahead cycles to oversee them. In other words, looking ahead to predict any foreseeable problems and then fixing them ahead of time. By using the lean project delivery system, a much more successful project can be delivered in a much more efficient and controlled way. That's all for our presentation. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you, everyone. If there's any further questions, you please post it on the discussion tab. Thank you again. Have a great day.
Thank you.